Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about how to fix Messenger notification sound problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings, then scroll down to the app section, then go to the search and search Messenger, then go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it works. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the Messenger's data will be deleted. This includes all files, the settings, the accounts, the databases, etc. Also, you can try to turn on the iPlan mode or the Bluetooth mode. You can turn it on and off, or you can try to turn the Wi-Fi off and on, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.